May the odds be ever in your favor.
Hello, welcome back to my channel if you are a returning viewer, and welcome to my channel if you're new here. It's me, Nessa Eileen, and today I'm coming at you with the Sims 4 Discover University Let's Play on my channel. I think this is part 60. Mariq is gonna go practice his acting. We did just leave the campsite, so yes, it kicked us out at like 8 o'clock ish. I got the notification right here. Where is it? I got that notification. I packed up all their stuff, and then I just left. I just ended the vacation. I was like, you know what? The sooner they get home, the better, so that Mariq can start practicing his acting for his gig that he has tomorrow. Oh, he's listening to music. I was like, oh my gosh, what is that noise? Julia, your thing broke. Here, you can try and repair it. He does have 3 days, sorry. He does have 3 days left of his term. But he doesn't have class. No, he doesn't have class today. He has class on Wednesday, so he has his homework done for that. What are you gonna do? Nope, don't play in that, please. Can you throw that away? Because that crazy person was rummaging through your trash. What do I want Rohan to do now, though? He can work on some of his skills. Maybe he can practice his charisma with Mariq. Writing? What is... I forgot what... Oh, he's a drama major. Okay. We can do some writing. He should be like a director or like a screenwriter. Yeah, screenwriter, right? Oh, that's loud. Okay, I'm gonna turn that off. Thank you. Actually, can I set the volume too? No, I think I can only set the top volume when it's on, but that's fine. Let's try practice writing. Try that. Give her a heartfelt compliment. Flatter her. They're very good friends. Are they the best friends in this whole household? Let's find out. He's better friends with Julia than with his actual sister. What the heck, man? Are you okay? Alright. I just went ahead and paused the video for a little bit because my air conditioning came on, but we are back, and I did go ahead and skip through the night too. They all are sleeping, but Rohan, are you trying to eat something? What are you trying to eat? Don't do that. Please don't do that. Let's do what's leftovers. Let's see. Do you have anything breakfasty? Is this even good? I feel like it's... I mean, it says one left. Do you like that? I mean, probably not. Is this still good? Yes. Okay, you can grab a serving of this instead. May the odds be ever in your favor. That's what it looks like. Cute. One more cute face. Okay. He's like, that's enough, Mom. 8 minutes. Julia, no, just got up. Julia, when do you have work? In 2 hours. I think I want you... Is it raining outside? No, okay, good. So, go take a jog. I feel like that might work. No! Our dog pooped in the house. Okay, where is he, Speckles? Oh, she needs to get a job, actually, now that I'm thinking. Okay, so we'll get her a job after she's done eating her breakfast. Speckles, what's up with you? You know what's up with you? You pooped! You pooped in my entryway. Freegin Speckles. Pet him. Brush him. And he's hungry, so he's gonna get some leftover macaroni and cheese. Weird thing to have for breakfast. You know what? Actually, that sounds pretty good. Oh, especially if you have like Thanksgiving macaroni and cheese, and then like the next morning you like cook some bacon with, like you cook up some bacon and you chop it up, and then you just throw it in the mac and cheese, and then like you have it all nice and warmed up. Ooh, that sounds so good.
This is hilarious.
I'm gonna have to reset her. Come take a shower, please. Did you have a breakthrough? No, you didn't. Boo. Okay, what's up with you, Rohan? You can do your homework right now. I mean, it's not gonna hurt anybody. Do your homework. No, you need a job. I already forgot what she got her degree in, so that's great. Career. Find a job. Trusty notepad in hand, it's time for Julia to work at the lab. Maybe today is the day for a major breakthrough. Should we go with her? Should we not go with her? Okay, we'll send her alone. Sorry. Tomorrow's Harvest Fest? Oh, chef. She can be a chef. What else can she do with the culinary career? Nothing. She could be a food critic. Does she want to be a chef or does she want to be a food critic? It's culinary. Assistant, I would start as assistant dishwasher. No, thank you. Having a relevant university degree means this position will come with higher pay. Yes, we know that. It takes a special touch to craft exquisite food. Begin your journey of making Sims weak in the knees with a dangerously delicious dish. Ooh, alliteration. Rewards include the ability to make higher quality cakes. Um, okay. All right. And the critic? Oh no, it didn't. Okay. Oh, food critic. There we go. If you don't love it, they won't eat it. 227. Do we want to go for like the higher paying or no? We work 5 days a week, and for this one, we also work 5 days a week. 1 p.m. to 7 p.m. or 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. Alright, I'm sorry about that. My cat started using the bathroom, started using the litter box, so it got a little noisy, and it also got a little stinky, so I had to spray air freshener and light a couple candles. She's just taking a little jog. Marik has his gig. Is he going to that? Oh, at 7 p.m. Okay, that's fine. It's only 12 a.m. Let's see, how much time do we have left? 13 minutes. What do I want him to do? I mean, he can continue to. How did he get level 10 in mischief? I don't know. I want him to paint something actually, since he's got a lot of painting. Abstract. He just wants to be famous, you know? He just wants to. You can. Yes, Rohan, you are a mind reader. You and me, we are on the same level here. My good sir. Can you ask him to pick hair? Ask to go potty. Ask him to go potty, please. Go potty. He's like, got you, boo. Why do they pee on the porch, though? I don't like that. Oh, you can prepare some food. What time is it? No, you need to use the toilet. Use the toilet. We're just kind of waiting around now. Ha 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 ha. Oh, that's what he said. He said, wah ha ha ha. Wait, you would think that Marik and Rohan would want to be friends because he's getting he's a drama major and Marik is an aspiring actor. He's acting and he's taking gigs and everything. Normal quality, you can sell this to a collector. On the road to fame, Marik has started down the path to stardom. He has earned his very first fame point, which is his to keep. Fame points. Sorry, I can't read out loud very well. Fame points can be used to purchase fame perks within the fame info panel. With this newfound fame, though, he's now susceptible to developing a fame quirk, a behavioral oddity shaped by the actions he takes. Cool. I don't know. I was saying we should probably do a Get Famous Let's Play after this one. Cool. That's awesome. What can we? Should we use it? Should we use the fame perk? I don't usually like to do that right away. I usually like to wait for them to get a little bit more famous, just in case their fame dies. Is it here in public image? Yeah. Notable newcomer. Newcomer? Like a cucumber. Like a new cucumber. Newcomer. Gosh. Why? Why do I say these things? What did I want him to work on? Rohan. Oh, I was saying you would think that they would be friends because Rohan is a drama excuse me, Speckles? That is so rude. Because Rohan is a drama major and Marique is now a newcomer celebrity and like a novice actor, I would say. Like, he's alright in his yeah, he's just an actor. So he is many aspiring actors move to Del Sol Valley with a dream to act professionally. He's not living in Del Sol Valley, but whatever. But he is an actor, an aspiring actor. So you think that they would be friends, but you know what? Like, little like storyline point here is like those kind of people who just jump into acting without any developed skills yet. And Rohan is going more of the path of, okay, let me figure out, let me learn the ins and outs of acting and drama and the history. He's like he kind of, not to say that he looks down on Marique, but he kind of feels Marique is taking the easy way. Rohan's working really hard. But yeah, see, like whoop. This relationship is tense. Things are likely to go awry. Awry? I don't know. We should have gone to work with Julia. I'm not gonna lie. But, okay, yeah, Rohan can use the toilet. But yeah, we're gonna go with that story. That's why Rohan and Marique dislike each other, because there's tension between the methods at which they're using to not become famous, but to become well known or accredited actors. I don't know, well known actors, professional actors, right? You need. What's up? Gross prank? Oh, someone pranked the toilet? Marique, did you prank the toilet? Oh, you know what she needs to do, though? She does need to prepare food, actually. Is everyone hungry? Is anybody hungry? She's almost hungry. I'll have her prepare food when everyone's, like, almost hungry. She can attempt to identify those. Also, we need to water and fertilize these and sell our harvestables. Oh, that's cute. Rohan's dancing. You know what I want him to do? Actually, is all your homework complete? Yes. Okay. So what you can do is write a book. Write genre book. Playful book. That's cute. Let's do a playful book. Oh, you were watching the cooking channel. Cool, cool. Let's sell all. Sure, that one. That name's fine. Okay. Do I have to go with him? I don't think I'm going to. No, I'm not going to. Okay, he's. Ew, gross, for mopping a puddle. But this is just creepy. Why is it creepy, though? You're mopping a puddle. Okay, attempt to identify police. Julia has met Serena while at work. Cool. Who is this Serena chick? Maybe we'll get to know her better. Maybe we'll become friends with her. No, I wanted you to prepare food. No, sorry. We'll send him alone, and if I end up doing a a get famous let's play, then I'll actually go with him to the career. But since this is not a get famous let's play, then I'm not gonna do that. Let's cook something. Ooh, tuna casserole. That's not vegetarian. Vegetable casserole. Tofu stir fry. That sounds fun. Oh, I need a sneeze. Julia's back. Julia, don't eat that! Nola's making food! Clean this up, please, and then fill Speckle's bowl, por favor. No! Aw, but how else are my dreams supposed to come true? Thanks anyways, I guess. Oh, I feel a little bit bad now. Rohan definitely felt this bad. He's like, oh, no, wait, I'm sorry. No, I want to help you. I want to support your dreams. Come and eat, guys. And you can get off your computer and come and eat. We're not, you mean we're not gonna eat at the table like a loving family? No. No? Okay. Well, sorry, silly me, or just assuming. Ask how her day was. How was work? Julia, how did you do? Well, I met a new friend. So, editing Vanessa here. I know that I kind of just asked, what should we talk about? But I like to believe that after Noel was like, Julia, how was your day? And Julia was like, oh, I just met some people at work. I just was, having a good time connecting with my coworkers. Noel's response would be, oh, connecting with your coworkers? Anybody cute? Very subtly, but also not so subtly, trying to get Julia into a relationship. Trying to get Julia a date. So, yeah, that's it. Excuse me, sir, why are you barking? Speckles? Cut this out. Alright guys, but yeah, this is going to be the end of the video, the end of this part. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like it, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Feel free to comment and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you guys in the next one. Bye! Oh dang! Okay!